So I have shared few content in that Telegram group. Okay. So one is for project link and just what you need to update into your resume regarding project stuff into your CVs. Okay. So let me share my screen first. If you can see, okay. So first, the project contains 2 hours duration. Okay. It's a 2 hours duration video. Go through the video twice, thrice first. Okay. Don't do practice. Observe the video every day 2 hours, at least 3-4 days. Okay. What actually the backend is working. Try to understand first. Don't parallel it seeing the video and seeing the practice. Once done, write somewhere all the steps. I have already written, but you also write some steps. What are the steps we are following to do the project? Okay. So in that project, if you can see, so I'm going to explain the migration process. Okay. The migration process is nothing but we have to just set up a mission, one on-premises mission on my laptop. Okay. On my laptop. Actually, the theory is the project. Let me explain in Paint. The project motto is there is a on-premises mission. Okay. There is a on-premises mission. So we are going to migrate into cloud. We are going to migrate into cloud, that mission. It's a cloud migration project. Okay. So on premises, we have a one server. I'm going to just move the server lift and shift to cloud. Okay. So users are going to access this server in on premises as of now. Okay. Just we are moving the server into cloud. And then if required, configure Route 53. Okay. But I haven't shown anything Route 53, just lift and shift only. So in this case, we don't have any mission, right? We don't have any on-premises mission to show you. So for that, what I did, I have just installed one Oracle VirtualBox like a hypervisor. On top of that, I have created one VM in my local laptop. Okay. So that VM I'm going to move into the cloud. So what you can assume that VM is on-premises server. That's it. Entire process is same. But in your interviews, this VM is on-premises server. Don't forget that. Definitely you will get so many calls on this project. Okay. As soon as possible, complete the project and update your CV into your Naukri or LinkedIn. So in this project, I have shown you the entire steps. Okay. Even though I have shown entire steps. Install the AWS replication agent on the source server. So first our source server need to interact with your cloud environment to move. So what we need to do, that is we have to take care of creation of IAM, give the permissions, something, video, everything is there. Just go through that. After that, once initialization process will start. Once initial process finish, we are able to see the discover mission after 1 hour into your AWS cloud. Then we can launch the test instance. I mean, whatever migrated your server on-prem to cloud, we have to test that instance. This is called test phase. This is called discover phase. Discover phase is nothing but whenever if you are installing the agent into your source server, the source server interact with your cloud and create a one replication server into your cloud. Replication is nothing but copy. On-premises server also there. We are taking a replication of the server into cloud. That replication server we are going to test. That is called test phase. First is discover phase. Discover phase, after installing your replication agent, after some time the mission is replicated into your cloud. That is discovery state. Once mission discovered, we have to test it. Is everything is fine or not? Next, testing got done. We have to wait for some time for cutover window. After that, we are going to stop all operations and launch the cutover instance. If you cutover instance is done, means on-premises entire server is going to disconnect from your cloud to on-premises. Now your server is in cloud. We have to give access to public. That's it. Okay, so main three phases here. One is discover phase, test phase, and cutover phase. Discover phase, once you install your agent into your source server, that is discover phase. Mission is replicated into your cloud. After that, we have to test the server. After that, we need to cut over the server. When you are going to cut over the server, once testing got done. Clear till here? So the project entire 2 videos I have explained how to create VM also into your source system. Okay. So I told you clearly in the virtualization time, I'll send a video at the time. So in that project virtualization video also, I have mentioned in that only. So with that video, you can easily download the virtualization concept. One Oracle box on top of that, and in your, but one more thing, your laptop should be support. Okay. Maybe if you don't have space 25 GB into your laptop, it will not work. Old laptops, maybe old configuration will not support. It will not support. At that time, you can do one more thing. If it is a case, you just create a one Azure virtualization machine. Azure, open one Azure account, create one Azure VM. Create one Azure VM. So install your agent on Azure VM. Okay. In that case, on-premises server is nothing but Azure virtualization, other cloud virtualization machine. Just assume that one only. We can do it easily, but you have to understand how the on-premises system will work. That's the reason I have installed one server in my local laptop. This is the correct case to understand. If you do the Azure to AWS migration, may you think it's a just cross cloud platform migration. It's not on-prem to cloud migration. May you feel clear what I'm trying to say here? Your source server, if your laptop will not support, create one Azure account, create one VM into Azure, install AWS agent into Azure VM. You just assume Azure VM is an on-premises machine. That's it. Same process. That one also you can do if your system is not support. Otherwise, talk to your friend. I mean, in our institute friend, you just sit with them and complete your project. Okay. We have 90-80 members, right? Just communicate one. If you are having old laptop, ask him to come to institute 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. You guys just practice it. That's one we can do. Okay. Don't neglect the project. If you can see nowhere is available in this project, check it if you have in YouTube. Okay. This is just understanding of project. Once done the project, what you need to upload into your resume. These are the steps you have to upload into your resume in the experience tab. Okay. In your resume, you have to mention your skills, your education, your experience. In the experience tab, you can update these points. Project, you just mention project. Example, I haven't mentioned anything. You can give any project. So if you need, I'm giving this project name also. Okay. So IGXAO project name, you can update it, don't worry. Okay, project client IGXAO. If you ask France, you can say it, France country. Your role is cloud migration role, migration engineer. So this is just this project client is for only your batch only I have provided. Previous batch I have given different one. Don't worry. Clear? In the experience tab, mention the project, company. I think your wish, what you are going to update in your 3 years, 4 years experience from you, where you are getting a company details. You can update the company details. After that, you can just copy paste it. If required, you can add a few more points in the job responsibilities. Will you just perform the lab, right? From that, we can write many points from here, the responsibilities. Clear? Yeah. But don't say in interviews, if someone force ask who provide this name, my name, huh? Don't say my name. If you go and apply same company only. And one more thing. Below responsible, what can I add for tools and technologies? Coming to that, wait. I'm coming to that. Just project I have explained, right? So you should update into your one of the tab into your resume. In that you have to read these points first carefully. If you know these points only, update into your resume. Till is clear? Otherwise, add your convenient point here. Since you have experience onto project to complete, right? So you can update it. Till here clear? Project tab. Anyone has any doubts? Guys, I'm going to enable your audio online team. If you want to talk something, if you want to add anything, you can add it. I'll just give you time in 15 minutes. Okay. Next. Okay. Let me check. Freshers. Yes. Freshers, you don't update this name. Huh? Okay. And 4 years experience. Don't it. Just I have done some POC with my interest. Okay. After done my BTech, I just you know I think did something project. Okay. In one of my colleague, they have given some task to me. They have working into some software industry. So like that, some like they have given some POC. I work with this project. Just like real-time project. You can say anything. Don't worry. Clear? So here, don't put like this. Experience 4 years, but recently you pass out. How it is possible? No, no, no. BTech first year onwards, I have done all that. Don't think so. Don't do that. Okay, these are all about the story. I have one CV I have prepared for someone. Anyone has any doubts till now? The project point of view, only project point of view. No doubts? No doubts means good, right? Again, after that, sir, when you are take class for explain project, update into resume, please guys. No, not this one. I have prepared on resume. It's okay, don't worry. Okay, next very important thing. If you get a call from one company, for example, you don't say all to this information to everyone. Yes. I think you guys are understanding that. You don't say, I got a call from this company, you all supplied. What will happen? It's not competition, guys. I know you guys resumes all looks like same. Step 1 to step 100. May they confuse. Okay. Not you. They will confuse definitely. Oh my god, looks like Xerox copy. Happened the same thing to me. Okay, so don't follow one resume everyone. You just what you can do, see the resume and change it at least font, style, something. And if he if she mentioned over 3+ years of work experience, worked on API, pull to process something, same thing you have, just don't follow. Change it at least. Okay. You just mention involved document in the here, like this way. This is the just a template of a resume. Just I'm showing here, template of a resume. You just update education qualifications here. And what tools you have worked, just upload here. Just now we discussed, right? Project experience. Currently working as a AWS engineer in this company, Hyderabad, from something to till date. Project title, client duration. If you are applying 4 years, just give 4 years. Client, as I said, IGXAO. Project title, you can say something, whatever project. Otherwise, remove this one. No one will ask this one. Unnecessary points will come from here. Clear? Responsibilities. These are AWS activities related responsibilities. If you like these points, you can copy it and paste it into your resume. Okay. These responsibilities is for in your project. In your project. If you're going to update into your CV 4 years experience, don't show 4 years here. Show at least 2 years only. Okay. That's it. Here you can update resume. Sorry, migration points. And then you can upload, sorry, you can update these points. Otherwise, if you have any confusion, these points you can update into your overall experience. In your project, you just only update these points, 8 points, enough. And if you want to add many points, you can add it. Like VPC, about VPC, about S3, about IAM, if you want to. So these are all okay tools. So ticketing tool, just you can mention service or something, operating system, Windows and Linux, cloud infrastructure. You can just, these are tools what we work, AWS services, you just update it. Okay, these are not required. Remove it. Okay. Clear? No. Okay, guys. Experience. You just, this tab is not required. Just I'm showing you here. Project responsibility. You can mention if required duration also. Okay. Otherwise, you can use this one. Current Control C. Control V like this. So name of the company can give, and below Control X. So just you can update here like this. Okay. So time, just time, and if it is a tilde, and project, role, duration. Duration is not required if you are updating there or there here. Responsibilities. Okay, you can show to your CV. These many are for experience. Till here clear? And general points. These are general points where you strong. Just update it. It's not related for your project. Okay, it's not related for your project. And one more thing. If you are not updating client details here, okay, sorry here. Just update company details and leave it. Okay, responsibilities you have mentioned it. Wait, I will update same thing here also. Company, give company name. Okay, and duration. That's it. Okay, and hide this one. Role, okay, hide this one. Okay. The reason is if you are showing 4 years experience, in that 4 years experience, it's very difficult to show 4 years if you are working with the same project. At that time, just hide project details, give company name, you just give role cloud migration engineer, update these points. That's it. They will not ask which client, which project, they will not ask. What is your roles? I work with 2 projects. One is for migration project. So and so you can update it here. Okay, and one is for one AWS infra project. What are the rest? If they will ask responsibilities, you can just say these points in that. 2 ways you can show your resume. If you are from only 2 years background, keep as is. Now, if you are 4 years background, don't update project name here. Company name, responsibilities. That's it. Okay, company name under responsibilities, you can show these points and you can add multiple points also. We are not talking about only respect to one project, right? In that case, you can add multiple points in that. You can add Terraform, Elastic Beanstalk, Python board 3, you can add every point. Till here clear? Okay. I know guys, only name change points will be same. Next, if you can see, I have already sent few points here, right? I think few days back. See guys, if you know any points, just copy paste into your resume. You first don't copy directly now. Just copy somewhere whatever point you know. See, practice performing regular security and audits and implementing best practice for AWS IAM role policy security groups, ensuring compliance with industry standards. You know, right? You know, right? Just copy it and maintain one practice sheet, word sheet, or notepad, and finalize the points first. Then add into your resume. Don't parallelly add into your resume. Finalize the points first. What points you know? I'm not asking you to write by your own self. If you write, I know how to write. Work IAM role. Maybe many people I have seen resume. Work IAM role, work S3, work EC2, work RDS. These many points. No, it's not right. You have to write like this way. Clear? Implemented scalable and highly available AWS infrastructure using EC2, S3 and RDS, resulting in 30% improvement in the system performance. You know, right? Just copy it, paste it. Optimize cost management strategies by implementing AWS Cost Explorer, leveraging the spot instance, leading into 20% reduction in monthly infrastructure and expenses. You know, right? Copy it, paste it. CloudFormation template enabling consistency, repeatability deployments across multiple environments. If you know, you can update it. So otherwise, you can add it developed and maintain infrastructure as a code using Terraform templates. You can mention it. Okay, like that. Collaborate with cross-functional team to design, implement secure VPC architecture with VPN connectivity to on-prem to network. This one already discussed, right? Lead team engineer implementation of a serverless architecture using AWS Lambda and API gateway resulting improved application performance reduction. So till here we have learn API gateway, just how to configure. It's just 30 minutes matter. You can discuss. You can just read the content. You can understand. Next, build and manage AWS infrastructure using service like EC2, DynamoDB, Elastic Beanstalk, supporting high traffic web application. We have already discussed. Implemented automatic backup recovery process using AWS backup and Amazon S3 versioning, ensure data intelligence. So you know, right? Like that, if you know point and take it. If you're not well in that point, don't update into your resume. Whatever points you know only, update into your resume. Clear what I'm trying to say? At least prepare your resume into 2 pages. I mean 2 papers. Clear? So whatever templates your wish, guys. AWS engineer sample resumes. If you can see whatever template you like, you can just prepare it. But content, if you can see, many people are preparing like this way. This guy is updating AWS engineer, Cognizant technology. If you know these all points, copy it, paste it into your resume. Clear? I think these points, you know, guys. Setup managing Windows servers. In our case, Linux servers. You can show Windows also. EC2, EBS, SSL security groups, RDS, IAM. Work as a team member to team cloud engineer. My responsibilities included managing VPC subnet, make connection between different zones, managing CDN and emerging cloud front origin. So our school only this guy. Clearly understanding. Create and managing bucket S3 store, DB and log backups. See, set up database, Amazon RDS and same thing. So easy points. Easy points. No need to write by your own way. Copy, paste into your resume. Clear what I'm trying to say here? So like that, if you don't know this point, don't update into your resume. Like that, sit with your laptop at least 2 days, prepare one good resume and ping me 1-to-1. Don't update your resume into group. As Bharat said, name will change only. Okay. I know. Okay. Prepare your resume only. You know what points you mentioned. They will ask into your interview that points only. If not update by you, by someone resume you have update like change your name, you don't know what points is there in that event. So prepare yourself each point, what point you are going to update into your resume. Prepare each point, ask question by yourself. Okay, and say answer yourself first. The question, the resume question and everything. Okay, the question will come from the resume only. 80% questions will come from the resume only. What are points you have mentioned in that? If you are update cloud migration engineer, you will get a call from, you will get it just everything from the cloud from, cloud migration engineer questionnaires only. You can easily answer the questions. Till here clear? Next, please don't prepare resume 4 or 5 pages. You know, just copy paste like that. Same points will repeat again. Try to complete resume 2 pages. And if you mention this point, managing VPC subnets, make connection between different zones. That's it. Again, don't mention managing VPC, managing ACLs, managing subnets like that, different points. All points already covered, right? VPC subnet already covered, right? That's it. I'm very good. I'm very good into custom architecture, prepare the custom architecture and public and private subnets and architectures, route table updations and endpoints, peering. Just you can update every point. You don't know how to update the VPC peering point? Check 3-4 resumes. Someone already updated it. Copy it, update it your resume. That's what I'm saying. Sit with at least 2 days. I know 1 hour is fine, but you have to know everything. You know, guys, from the resume also you can learn new things. So just now we have seen here API gateway integration with Lambda. You can learn it. Already we are enough. See, guys, 16 years experience guy updated. We know all points, right? What are points we have discussed? We are freshers. You know all points. Any point we miss here? No, right? We will add on top of these points more 10 points. We learn Moto 3, we learn Terraform, we learn so many other things. We can add it here. RDS, Redshift, ETL. Okay, so many things we learn, right? We can add it here. ETL pipelines, like that. Clear what I'm trying to say here? Okay, once done your resume and send it me. If required, no, I'm fine. If you feel, just leave it. No need to send. If need help only, see, you can see many templates. You can see these templates. Anyway, you can prepare it. Okay, these are the templates. Points, I'm just going, I already share the points. You can go with the points. So these many things, cloud database administrator. Next, coming to the developers. If you are from a developer's background, okay, so anyway, you are going to update your points, right? If you are from Python background, if you are from Java background, you guys are going to update the stuff in that, right? So along with that, you have updated not these many points, updated more related to your work, like Lambda, AWS Glue, RDS services. You just update more and more CloudWatch logs and update regarding infrastructure VPC submit all are in one point. Don't highlight your resume. You are working as a cloud network engineer. You know already Python and Java stuff, right? You can show like more points on S3 bucket, IAM, RDS. More points try to give prefer on RDS database and Lambda Glue. These are all same database engineer. If you are working database engineer, you highlight your resume entire with RDS, Redshift, S3, Lambda Glue. If you are only database engineer, you don't know coding language, Lambda Glue don't give more highlight on Lambda Glue. Highlight more on database. Anyone from database background here? Yeah, I'll come to that, Kusma, don't worry. Anyone fresh, sorry, database engineers here? The database background offline, no one? What about online? Anyone? Looks like no one. Then don't worry. Bharat. So Bharat, you can update your resume more and more in RDS points since you are in that background and S3 and IAM. And VPC subnets regarding stuff, you can show it at 2-3 points. Okay. You have to highlight your work main, then you just remaining points, you can show 2-3 points. Okay. Query optimizations. If you can observe RDS, Redshift, so many advanced things are there. Go and learn it. If you see many points, you can easily understand. Query optimization things, but you have to update these many points. And what you observed in RDS, since you are using on-premises database, I know. So what you observed, vast changes, if it is a database on-premises and cloud, you can update the points like that. Is it clear? Okay. Any questions on resume preparation? Freshers, same resume you can prepare, but don't show any experience. Okay, I have just update like, POCs, project POC. Okay, show that and don't mention any company name. Project, you have just had title is project, that's it. Don't mention any role, project, and explain, write your these points. Don't mention IGXO. Okay, don't mention experience, don't mention roles and responsibilities. Just leave it. You just mention like this way if you are from the fresher. That's it. Okay, you just mention project POC, proof of concept. Everyone can update. If you are from Telegram, if you are from whatever background you are, Okay, you are from any background, no issue. Freshers, you can update like this way. And again, if you can see in this resume, remove this first one and worked on, remove it like this. Just remove, don't mention it. Having a good knowledge, start from like this way. Don't mention hands-on experience. Okay, good experience, don't mention it. Knowledge on, I'm good into, like this way. Clear? Career gap, that's what I'm saying. Career gap, what you are going to plan, I don't know. How many years you are going to manage, I don't know. If it is a 4 years, just till now we are explaining everything is for only career gap persons only. If you are showing 4 years experience, whatever I explain now, just you only, you can show it like same thing. Company details, I don't know which company details you are going to give. Just mention company details. That's it. Clear? Anyone has any doubts? Hmm? No doubts? Very good, Bharat. See, if you can see, many templates is there in that Google. First see the templates. I'm not saying to follow my, see, you can follow this type of template only. Skills, you can update all AWS tools. Experience, summary, strengths. Experience, I mean, freshers, you can show like this way. Experience also show like this way. See, same resume you can update it. I mean, different points. 5 years experience. She's from 5 years experience. AWS cloud engineer with 5+ years experience. Take this template like this way. Use this example. Change your points. Template is ready. Clear? Just copy paste your points here. For example, I'm changing this project POC points over there. Like this way. After that, before you have log in it and save it. Change your photo. Upload your photo. These many tools also we have templates. You can change it. Clear? So that's what I'm saying. Sit 2 days at least or 1 day with the resume. But points, don't copy it like this unnecessary points. If you don't know, say she is also working. Oh, okay, I have updated. Okay. So don't copy paste if you don't know those points. If you're not well-known points, only update it. Clear? These are all about resume preparation. Project, I'm going to upload the link into Google Classroom. I have deleted in Telegram link. And download it first project to your laptop. Maybe this drive. Don't share project link to everyone. It's up to you guys. If you share someone, I don't have any issue, but you are going to lose finally. Okay. So even I didn't share anyone till now. Only students I'm going to share that project. So don't share to everyone. Don't create competitors from your bucket. That's can I say. Maybe if you share someone, okay, he or she more good some other areas, your project may help them to get a job first. May you are weak some communication, but they are good in communication, so your project will help them to get a job. So don't create competitors by yourself. Even friend also, do your work, keep it as a personal. Share your success. not share your practice. Okay, remember these points. Once you got a success, then you can explain to your friend. So I have followed this one. So you also try this, you will get a job like that. Before you are not getting job, don't give your points. Oh, you do like this. My sir said definitely will get job. Maybe you first, you just giving good points to them. They will take a serious. They will prepare in that way. But you are not. They will get a job. Okay. So these are all about resume preparations. Next, interview questions. Before talking about interview questions, I have shared already tasks list, right? Complete the tasks list. It will take maybe 1 month or 15 days, 20 days. And if I miss something, add few points in that and share it into our Telegram group. Sir, I'm going to add these many tasks we missed to cover in that. Welcome to everyone. Okay, I have shown closely 200. I know a few points miss in that. I haven't added both to three concepts. I think Terraform concepts. If you add into that, make it as a 220 or 230, it's very good for next batch. Clear? Don't stick on what I said only blindly. You also do some work in that. Clear? Coming to the interview questions. Interview questions, don't by heart it. Just to understand how the questions will come only. Okay. Even don't read answer also. If you start to read answer, they will mention a different way. Their answer isn't there what they are thinking in that, but you can say your answer. But content is same. The way of explanation may different. Content is same. Okay. Clear? This one also. I'm going to share the entry questions also. Tasks list already done. Project already done. Resume preparation. We are good. Any questions from anyone? Online team. No questions. We're all silent means no questions. Your introduction, you can say just an introduction. Don't take 15 minutes time like that. Okay. Just say you are from where, which background, passed out of your education and experience. That's it. Don't say I have two brothers. One brother used to go school. One brother used to go office. I have one sister. She always fight with me. Okay. Last week also happened same thing. Don't say these stories. Okay. My father is hard worker. All fathers are hard workers. Like don't say these points, guys. Done. Those days gone. My mother housewife. These days gone. First say about you more instead of your family. Just explain. We are four members. That's it. We are four members. I have done my education in these years. And don't say my I have completed my BTech in 2018 with first class. Okay, I'm a topper in the school. One subject I have 80 out of 80. Like this, don't say. Okay, leave it. Show your weightage more on your work. Present. You just mention 1 to 2 minutes. Sai Krishna. Uh, anyone try to enable your audio? Try to enable audio. Permissions are there or not? Online. I'm talking about online. Not allowed. Let me check. So who want to talk first? I will try to enable. I'll just say to Bharat first. Bharat, you try it now?
Yeah, hi sir. Hi, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Bharat, are
Hello?
you able to talk?
Hello? Yes.
And unmute your button.
Yes. Can you hear me? Hello?
I'm not hearing anything. Naga Uma. Bharat, you there?
Yes. Can you hear me now?
Let me check. Where? Not all. Correct, right? Where? Vedi. Bharat.
Hello?
Okay. No, I have already allowed Bharat, right? Shirishek అయిందంటవా? Guys, anyone, Bharat, what he's talking, are you able to hear? Other online teammates. Which one? If I give a like that, everyone can hear. Guys, try it now. Others also try it now.
Sir, this is Uma.
Hello, can you hear me? This is Chandra. Hello, can you confirm? Hello, can you hear me?
System change. This one app itself is facing issues. Normal Zoom meeting we can easily understand. పవన్ ఒకసారి పైకి రావా? I'm not hearing, but people are going to unmute their buttons. Guys, if you have any doubts, okay, reach out me. Don't worry, okay? I think I need to do make co-host. Yeah, we can hear other voices. It's problem from your end. Okay. Let me change my side also. You guys can continue then. Yeah, from your introductions to others. Okay. See, Anjali saying something, okay? Careful. ఇది ఒకసారి ఎలా ఎనేబుల్ చేయాలి అవి వాళ్ళు ఎనేబుల్ చేస్తే బట్ వాళ్ళ వాయిస్ మనకు రావట్లే కదా తీసేది Anjali, can you talk once?
Hello,
Anyone
sir.
can you talk once?
Yeah. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. Okay, so if you want to talk, anyone you can talk now. We are hearing you. Anjali.
Hi.
Yeah.
I want to go first. So my name is Bharat. So actually, I have posted one question in chat. So I'm in interview.
Yeah, proceed, Bharat.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So yeah, my question is like, if I'm in interview, so
Hmm.
if the interviewer asks for like, tell me about your recent project or something like that.
Okay.
So what can I explain him? So if the client is like banking sector or kind of e-commerce, so there will
First,
be questions
okay,
about.
I got your question, Bharat. Yeah, after introduction, first they will ask what is your roles and responsibilities. This is second question. If guys, just please understand, if you are coming from the same question, answer is for everyone. First, every interview will start with your introduction. Okay, just say this is something. So I have completed my BTech in this year. So I have total 4 years of experience in AWS Cloud Engineer. Earlier, I have started my career as something. Now I have settled my career in IT industry as AWS Cloud Engineer or something, whatever it is. So my roles and responsibilities are I'm very good. I have very good hands on these many services in AWS. Just call out. Apart from that, if you have any advanced skills, you can add it in that your top of that. After that, you have to start your responsibilities in your project. So I work as AWS Cloud Migration Engineer. I have just migrated so many missions from on-prem to cloud. The reason why, as we know, why we need to migrate, you can start just for 1 minute, 2 minutes to get a higher ability concept, and you just start your steps, what your responsibilities in that. So I have to take care of security concerns of the missions while migrating the system, and I have to perform the test cutover activities and test instance and replication activities. You can just call out, or you can write somewhere whatever points I'm showing you here, guys. Simply you can call out these points, but you have to call out in just as your regular job. Don't call out migration of infrastructure like that way. Don't call out like that. You have to, okay, you have to manage the things as your regular activities. If you can see, usually I work with multi-availability and regions configurations while doing the project, migration project. I'm not saying to you guys stick on the migration project. If you are from non-IT background, if you are from career cap background, you just mention it. Otherwise, if you are from like a database guy, you can say that in your regular activities, you can add RDS. If you are working in the SQL, PostgreSQL on premises, you show your experience like on premises, very less experience, like 1 year, and rest you can move into cloud. You know how to do RDS, same thing, just presently I'm working with RDS, Redshift, you can show it. And inside what you need to do, running the queries, core optimizations, data modeling, already on-premises side. Same points we have to show in cloud itself also. That's it. But you have to highlight those points into your, for example, if you are a database engineer, okay, you have to say that your regular activities in cloud, you have to say that. So those regular activities you have to showcase in the cloud, not on premises. If you want to, enhance your skills into your cloud side, into your resume. Getting my point?
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, Bharat. Okay. Next, anyone?
Sir, hi sir, this is Uma.
Hi, Uma.
Sir, I am from database background, sir. So, like, if I mention my 3 years of experience or 4 years of
Your
experience,
voice is a bit low, Uma. Had your breakfast?
no, sir.
That's the reason, maybe. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Like my experience is from like database, sir. 4 years of experience. So how can I add myself like 4 years?
What is
of
your
experience?
actual roles and responsibilities inside your project now? What you are doing in that?
My thing is like I work with databases, sir. I extract data. I manipulate like
Which database it is?
it is SAS, sir. SAS related and SQL related.
SQL
EDW.
related, right? You can show more in cloud. Whatever activities you are doing there, you can show in the cloud same activities you are doing there. You don't have any challenges, right? If may they will ask, they will not ask, no one will ask, like you are work with on premises, you are work with cloud, what are the changes you have, the kind of questions you will get, that's it. But once you are inside the environment, cloud environment, once you create a RDS cluster, once you go inside of your cluster, the process will be same, right? You have to write a queries. Is there any difference for writing queries in on premises and cloud guys? Uma?
No, sir, but should I change my resume in such a way that I worked on AWS instead of SAS?
Yes, if you are saying that SQL, right? You have to say RDS SQL, RDS MySQL. Clear? Data extraction, right? You have to say the data extraction from on-prem to cloud or S3 to cloud, or just activities you are doing into that cloud. Yes, there is no difference on premises and cloud. Once you cluster ready, I mean RDS database ready in the cloud, that inside job is same as is on premises. What you are doing in that. Your advantage is you know how to create the cluster, you know how to configure the RDS connections and something all. You can say that also along with that. And you should show more in your resume RDS, Redshift, S3, connection point related things. Yes.
Sir, also, sir, if we want to be preferred by more companies and more calls, if we want to get, like, what are the most important things I should mention in my resume, sir, according to AWS technology?
Yeah, that's what you have to. Everything. See, first your resume has to shortlist, right? So you have to showcase your point in very efficient way inside your resume. So that's what we have to understand the few resumes and list out the points. Out of the points, what points you feel better? Okay, as a database engineer. If I ask this task to network engineer, maybe they will not understand database points, right or not? So you know the concept of database. From that points, you can list out, you can update into your resume. So in the resume itself can understand clearly this guy is from rich experience in the database. Yeah. So that's what I'm saying, that once you prepare your resume, ping me and give some time to read the resume. Okay. At least day one day. Ping immediately, sir. Sir. Updates. I'm kidding here. Okay. Next. Anyone?
Sir, is the project like this project, migration project and AWS infra project, is the video available, sir, so that we can go and do whatever you do, sir?
Yes, everything is available video. Project video is available.
Where, sir? Like in Telegram or?
Telegram already I shared. I removed that. I'm going to share it today. Google Classroom meeting. You have downloaded from my drive. Okay, it's a 2 hours. And if you're already working as some role into the IT industry, 4 years, 5 years, even though you can add out of in your 4 years experience, you can show at least 6 months migration project, right? If you have a gap at least 6 months, or if you are from other, you can say that database migration also I work. server migration, database migration, same process. Since you are a database background, you can say that I'm work into the database server migration. The same concept. Instead of you can assume application server, it is a database server. VM, if I say VM, maybe it is application VM, maybe it is a database VM, maybe it is a web application VM, whatever it is, process is same. So you can call it, you can say that in your resume, you can mention it. I'm very good into database migration projects. You can say that.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Uma. Any others? Done?
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, who is this?
So this is Iftikhar, sir.
Sorry?
Sir, Iftikhar.
Oh, yeah, yes, tell me if they are.
Sir, I'm a fresher, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I completed my graduation in 2022. After that, I prepared for government exam.
Okay.
Sir, I done a manual testing, sir. Not completed automation.
Okay.
So then I used it to learn AWS, sir, this course.
Okay.
So how can I manage my experience and what the roles I should like mention in a resume?
Okay. So manual testing is nothing but, can you please elaborate in that? Where what type of testing you used to do in that?
So sir, lambda testing and
Lambda is not
performance testing.
okay. You can say that
Performance testing.
work as a test engineer in the cloud, AWS cloud.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Along
And
with the testing, I'm very good into cloud infrastructure creations, configurations, connections. You can show that all points, right?
okay, sir. And sir,
But I have
in
one
AWS
question to you. You. You are a fresher or working?
So
You are
fresher,
saying
sir.
fresher, I'm saying working.
No, sir, fresher, sir.
Again saying fresher.
Sir?
Are you working in any company?
No, sir. I'm working sir, like a BPO, sir. Now I'm working in BPO.
Okay, so you don't say you are working in BPO, and again you don't say you are a fresher. You can show that BPO experience as AWS cloud engineer experience, AWS testing engineer experience. Whatever
Yes,
company
sir.
you are working, give your company name straight away. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Sir, and sir,
Yeah.
like in AWS, what the role and RDS and Lambda, Terraform? As a
No, you
fresher,
just mentioned
what
as
should I
AWS
mention, sir?
cloud engineer only. You just mentioned AWS cloud engineer only. So you
Okay.
can add these points that your resume.
Okay, sir.
So still, if you guys are having any issue, just prepare your resume and send it me. If you have any doubts, otherwise, if you feel yes, I'm good, no need to say that. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Thanks, Imran.
Thanks.
Yeah, you can mute yourself. Next.
Sir, my name is Tulsiram, sir.
Hi, Tulsiram.
Sir, my experience in DWDM and networking
Okay.
already 14 years, and
Okay.
7.6 is the latest DWDM network.
Okay.
Company.
Okay.
In that networking, planning, optimization, migration,
Okay.
take care in equipment level. Like nothing but migration of data is there. What you are doing now, project. Like nothing but data migration. Actually, I used to do equipment migration.
Got
with
it.
hardware migration type.
Got it. Storage and hardware migration. Right?
Storage, no, not storage. The equipment means to prepare what after that this storage or shifting will come. Before that, we used to migrate the equipment network.
Okay. Okay.
Network
Is related to server?
Servers will not build, sir. That for a server.
Got it. You are working as a server backend migration things.
Data delivery, you can say data delivery person.
Okay, got it. So I got your point, Tulsiram. But so the project I have recorded, right? 100% is suitable for you, the project.
Migration
100%.
is sir. Yes, sir.
So the reason is you are working with the same background, but it's like little advanced background. What I have recorded, it's very, very useful for you.
This is after my project means what I done the experience in existing. This is after that we are doing this project.
Yes. You can show last 3 years I'm working with this project, like kind of project. You know, network background, AWS networks, everything, right? You can showcase it.
Okay. Means if you mix up with the world project, world responsibility, I can add this point of responsibility.
Yes. You don't say only network equipments like that. You can say server migration. That's it.
Okay.
So definitely they will ask. If they will ask, you can explain the backend work what you are doing also. You can say server migration also like these activities.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Okay.
Okay, next. Thank you, Tulsina.
Thank you, sir.
Others, anyone has any doubts?
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Sir, I have a question, sir.
Who is this?
Sir, Iftikhar, sir. I have a question. Like,
Yeah.
sir, to get a job, AWS is sufficient, sir?
100%.
Okay, sir. And like, it is mandatory to learn DevOps.
It's up to you guys.
Okay, sir.
AWS is fine to get a job. But
Okay.
if you want to learn DevOps, just start your career. Already AWS done, right? This is the correct time
Yes,
to learn
sir.
DevOps. Give some time, 15 days, 10 days, you can join any trainer in the DevOps. Okay. The reason is if you have a AWS DevOps, you will get a calls, more and more calls. Easily get a job compared to AWS. The same thing, if you are a DevOps engineer, learn AWS or Azure. Same thing, it's applied for DevOps engineer also.
Okay,
So,
sir.
AWS engineers nowadays, yes, if you want to settle AWS DevOps engineer, you have to learn DevOps. Otherwise, only AWS migration engineer also fine, AWS engineer also fine. But they will
Okay.
expect from you at least DevOps tool 2-3. Okay.
Okay.
So Terraform is fine to show you that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thanks.
sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. This is Anjali. I have 10 years age career gap.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, Anjali. You can.
Yeah, I have 10 years age gap after my studies. I didn't work anywhere.
Okay.
I mean, after this course, if I join in DevOps, do we need to learn any languages like Java, Python?
No, Anjali. Not required.
I mean,
Don't think in that much. So, decide first how to start, from where you want to start your IT career. If it is a AWS, just click on that. If it is a DevOps, AWS and DevOps, just click on that. Don't go more. See, guys, one more time I'm saying, don't show multiple skills in your resume. You will get so many questions out of the boundary. Try to reduce the number of skills. Try to show with the few skills more exposure. So that you will get easy questions, well-known questions. If you update Python, Java, DevOps, AWS, it's very difficult to get a job. The reason is you will get so many out-of-boundary questions. Since you are managing career gap, it's very difficult to get a job. If you are from already IT people since 15, 10 years, 4 years, 5 years, no worries, you can update. But I'm saying for career gap and if you want to switch IT from non-IT, so don't show more skills, more skills. It's very difficult to clear the interview. Clear, Anjali?
yeah, clear, sir.
And
Can you?
especially for women's, no need to worry about career gap. You can show like that so many options we have. And also we have IT also 33% reservation. We'll get so many calls compared to men's.
And you explained about the resume, right? It will work in US also, like
US no worries. US no worries. Kind of questions in India only they will investigate. Show your screen, show your room. Like this, India will happen. So many people are from India right now. So many
Yeah,
doubts. Yes. US is not work, but you can show any like in US and UK market, Canada.
no, yeah, somewhat better here compared to India, but you're telling this points, right? Do I need to add extra points to here? I don't know here how it will be regarding AWS.
Extra points.
Extra point means to get more calls.
To get more calls, it's decided your resume. It will decide your resume only.
Also, like you said, 6 months only, right? To get my EAD, I will get. I need a minimum 8 months. So I'm requesting if I get any doubts in the
See,
interview.
I'm saying I'm going to give you 3 months, 4 months support in Telegram group, but I'm not going to change my user. I'm not going to log out from Telegram. You can ping anytime.
If I need only, I will ping you.
Yeah, no issue, no issue.
Mm.
Otherwise, I have a plans to come US. We can meet us, no problem.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. I will send the car to the airport. Sure.
Oh, so much. Thanks.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much, sir. And one more, I requested to show me that if we lost the key, how to recover the key. Can you
Well,
show me?
fine. Okay, I will send the recording and send to you guys. Don't worry. It's a small thing only.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Okay, Anjali. Okay, next.
Hi, sir. This is Sohail.
Hi, Sohail. How are
So,
you?
I have experience. I'm fine, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thanks for asking. Yeah.
Sir, I have 3 years of experience in marketing field.
Okay.
What role suits me here in AWS, and what can I mention in the resume?
You can just say, you can mention cloud engineer. That's it.
Yeah.
So I think you learn things from this training only, right? You can update
Yes.
these points only. Don't update that more